In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vertical line to Squarespace. We'll do this using a simple code block so you can place a clean divider between sections, columns, or any elements on your page. No advanced setup required. Just follow along and you'll have a vertical line you can style and position in minutes. First, open your page in the Squarespace editor and move your cursor to the spot where you want the vertical line to appear. Look for the Add Block button that appears between or inside sections as you hover. Click Add Block. If you're placing the line between two pieces of content, consider adding it inside a column layout so it naturally separates items side by side. That makes positioning much easier later. Next, in the block search field that pops up, start typing code. You'll see the code block appear in the results. Click the code block to insert it. This block lets you add small snippets of HTML and CSS that run only where you place them, which is perfect for a single vertical divider. If the block collapses or you need to make changes, click the little pencil icon on the block to open the editor. That icon is your quick way back into the code field anytime you want to adjust the style, height, or color of your line. Now paste your vertical line code into the code block. The simplest approach is an HTML element with inline CSS that draws a border on the left side. You'll want a slim border, a defined height, and a bit of horizontal margin so the line doesn't crowd nearby text. For example, set a 1 to 3 pixel solid left border. Choose a color that matches your site's palette. Give it a height that fits your layout, like 80 to 200 pixels for a short accent, or taller if it needs to span a full column, and add top and bottom margins for breathing room. If you prefer the line to inherit the color of nearby text, use the current theme color. Otherwise, pick a specific hex value. If the line looks too heavy or too faint, tweak the border width until it feels balanced with your typography. After pasting, apply your changes and preview the page. On mobile, you may want a shorter height so it doesn't dominate the screen. If the line needs to shift left or right, place it in the appropriate column or adjust margins in your styles. That's it. A clean, customizable vertical line added exactly where you need it.